Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit header in WPS Office. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Word document in my WPS Office application, and as you can see, I have added header to this document. This is the header I have just added, and if we want to edit the header, we just need to double click on it like this, and here you will be able to edit your header. And for example, I'm going to edit the header like this. And once you're done, you can double click on anywhere but the header part like this. And now the header has been edited. Okay guys, and that's how we can edit header in our document in WPS Office application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.